started Nova around 2 years ago at Gooch Accident Repair Centre. The minute I was with Nova, they were great support to get me up and started. And Gooch helped me through the way. I started Gooch for work experience in Bedford High School. And our first choice was Nova because we had good recommendations from other pupils and trainees, and the minute they come through they were great, supportive, kind, they helped me through it and they're just great to be with. If I can do it, so can you.
Hi, my name's Darren, I'm the Assistant Manager here at Gooch Accident Repair Centre. Joe's now been with us for 2.5 years. In that time, he's come on leaps and bounds. Initially he came to us from school as a work placement, then he joined Nova Training, where in the last 2 years his training has gone forward so far. He's been a real asset to the company. Since he's been with us, we've now taken on another 2 trainees. Joe has proved himself and he's led by example. That he's been a real inspiration to the others, showing them what can be achieved through the effort. So if you're looking for an apprenticeship within the motor industry, get in contact with Nova Training and they'll pull you in the right direction.